Hello everybody, Forest Spinner back here, and this is a long time coming video. And I know you haven't seen any fan or air conditioner videos in a really long time, and I'm very sorry about that, and I'm going to be jumping right back into those. But I have here a 2011-2012 GE window air conditioner, and I'm going to be powering it on for you, and yeah, just showing you around it. I guess it's got bad bearings or something that makes like a rattling noise, kind of like my old Fetters air conditioner, the one without the knobs. But it starts, it works great. I'll probably be switching this one out for that old. No, I shouldn't show you because I'm gonna spoil it. But yeah, I guess we'll start it up. I've had this air conditioner since it was new, so yeah, let's do it. It's low fan. Here's cool. Medium and high. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.